Hello guys and welcome to a new brand video. In today's tutorial I'm going to show you how to see the seller reviews or listing reviews on Facebook Marketplace. So now the first thing that you will need to do is to open your web browser. Either it was Mozilla Firefox, Microsoft Edge or Google Chrome or any web browser. After that you will need to go to facebook.com in the URL and click enter. Now you will need to create a Facebook account if you don't already have it. To do so, you will need just to click create new account and it will take you to the new account creation. So basically all you need to do is to fill in all this information and then you will click on sign up. After that, you will have your Facebook account that will be created successfully. Then all you need to do is to go again to facebook.com and then you will add your account or you are going to log in to your account. So basically you click on login after you fill in your email and password and it will take you to your account. And now the last thing to do is to go to the marketplace, and now all it remains to do again is to follow these simple steps. And now after you access the Facebook Marketplace, all you need to do is to go to the listing or the seller profile and see the reviews. So basically all you need to do is to click on a listing, and here in this information, if there is reviews that are already submitted for this listing, we'll find them here in this listing details or informations, and you will see all the reviews as well as you are seeing like the ratings. And basically if you want to see the seller reviews or ratings, all you need to do is to click on the profile of the seller and you will see all other information concerning the person. And as you can see, those are just the ratings, and also you can see reviews if they are already submitted, as I said. And as you can see, they are based on 5 ratings or 5 people who rated this guy as to give them this rating for the seller. And basically those are the steps to see the reviews for a listing in Facebook Marketplace. Thank you for watching and see you next time.